I'm going to show you the way or the method to get free items on Rocket League. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is open Rocket League and go to the challenges. As you can see right here, you get a lot of levels and crates or drops just by completing these quests. You can also get premium to get even better rewards, but just with the free challenges you get a lot of drops. So by completing these missions and also with the Rocket Pass, if you click right here, you will see the free pass, which is the one at the bottom. Those are the free items you get just by playing Rocket League and getting XP. In my case, I don't play a lot, so I'm level 28 right now, but you can get a lot of items completely for free. So after that, you just need to go to your garage and then to your inventory. And once you are here, you will see all your items, or you can also open the reward items or the drops by clicking on this category and then opening the drops. So that's it. That way you can get a lot of free items on Rocket League. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.